Hiya everyone, it's early in the morning and I'm off to work, so I'm going to do a quickly get ready with his makeup look, and I really hope you enjoy. I look really rough because I didn't get to bed till late and I've got red blotchy marks and everything. I've got nothing on my skin, and I'm absolutely knackered. I've got a couple of hours, so I thought, right, I'm going to get up, because if I don't, I'm not going to get a chance to do a video for you, and I hate not being able to do videos. So I've thought, right, I'm going to get up extra early so you can see us get ready, and this is exactly what I'll be wearing for work today. I might get a bit more brave and do some colour, but not today. So this is what I've been doing. Plus, it's the last day of me mascara reviews. I said I was going to do a mascara review. I've used this one. I'm going to use this one today. I've used the rest already, and I've got a really good video coming up for you on that, so I hope you enjoy it. I've also got an unboxing video to do. So yeah, I hope you enjoy. I'm going to get on. I've got my little, this is my makeup bag that I carry everywhere with us, and I will do what's in it video at some point if you're interested. It's like stuff I cannot live without. In it I've put in that one there, so we're going to get on with that. So first of all, I'm not using any brushes today. I'm just basically using my hands, my fingers, because this is all that I do. I literally put my primer. I've got this, been using this every day. I love it. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Mattifying Base, and I just put that all over. Really, really love it. And it just makes the makeup glide on. I hope you are keeping well. I'm dying to get back on here. I'm working full time now, and it's just exhausting. When I come home at night, I sometimes finish at 5:30 majority of the time, and I'm just so tired. I just think, God, I couldn't face coming on here and looking knackered and drained for you. I've got my makeup wipes next to us to just clean my hands off, because the next step is quite filthy with the foundation. And you've got to have something where you get covered. I'm going to get everything covered here, but it doesn't matter. So I've got my little mirror in front of us as well. So next step, and I'm doing it quickly because this is how I would usually do it. I give myself about half an hour on the morning. I've been doing this a lot lately because I never wore makeup from at work, but I've been practicing more and more lately, doing the foundation, the I've been trying out the mascaras for you. What else? Oh, sorry. Foundation, I'm using this. It's me trusted all the time. I need to get some more. I'm in need of foundations, but I think there's some coming, and I'll reveal all soon. I'm really excited about it. But love me foundation, the Lancome one. It just goes on brilliant. It really does. Because you know, some of them, when you put them on the bridge of your nose, they just look a bit, I don't know, they look scattered. You just can't get it on quite right. This just glides on, and what I love about that base as well, it just helps everything glide on. You can just do it with your hands. Like if I'm going somewhere special, I'll get my brushes out and I'll take longer with it. But just for work, I'm over the moon with the coverage that I can get off just doing this. So this is what I've been doing to keep things simple on a morning, to get us back into wearing it on a regular basis. Because like I said, I'd kind of stopped wearing it, and I don't know, I just love wearing it, and so I'm getting right back into it. I love it. Right, dry my hands off. I've got my jammy bottoms on. Right, now I'm only on a 10 till 4, so it's only 6 hours, so I'm not worried at all. Right, now this bit zoom you in for, because we are going to go, we're going to go and do eyeliner. And I've been doing this a lot lately, so I'm getting used to putting it on. You've just got to get, it'll probably go wrong now, I'm showing you, but just hang on. I need to get right in here. I've got all sorts. I've got me coffee as well, and I think I have some of that because it's going to go cold. Right. Got to get this right, haven't we? Hang on. Here we'll go. So I'll just start, like if you imagine there's your iris, the pupil. We're not going in the corner. We're just starting here. And I'm just gently touching the skin. I don't want too much on. I don't want to go too high. It's not coming out as good as it usually does. Ah, there we go. And I'm just doing a little flick. I don't want to go too flicky. Not when I'm going to work. Although, to be honest, I have been flicking it right up. And the only reason I don't when I'm at work is because I can't really touch it up. And sometimes with this one especially, it's amazing, don't get us wrong. But especially if it's warm, it can transfer up here. And sometimes this flick that I do, it can start smudging underneath. So if you're near a mirror, ideal. Going a night out, if you're going to the toilets with your friends and you're going to have a check on it, great. Because it will transfer under here sometimes. But I'm not kidding you, for I don't know how much it was, maybe it's £8.99 Maybelline Precise All Day. It really is all day. I love this product. This is one of the ones that's in my bag. So I will do a what's in my bag and what has to be in my bag. Like products I absolutely love. There's loads of stuff that's in there, but they're all quite old fashioned. I will do an updated one once I get more products in and I see where I'm at with them all. Gotta be really steady. Looking forward to work. I don't mind working on a weekend at all. Sunday today. I can't wait to do the unboxing. I might do it after this if I've got time for you. I don't know. We'll see. Because you might get 2 videos today. Oh, another thing. I've got a Patreon account. I'm not quite sure what to put on there. But I've got a couple of followers on there. So thank you very much. And I know that a lot of you would like makeup and just general blogging and stuff, but how about if I just put the, I don't know what would you like to see on there? If you are following us on there, let us know, because I don't know what to do on there, and it's hot because I don't follow any other channels on there yet to get an idea of what people put on there. If you could let us know, that would be great, because it's all about what yous want to see, for both really, but especially Patreon, from what I can gather. It's not about me, it's about what yous want. So if you let us know, and we'll get to that. I'm going to get my mascara on now. This is the first time I'm using this and I love it. I think you'll be really pleased with the others, but we'll see how it goes. Let's have a look. So I'm using Loreal Voluminous and it's black, and this is all I'm doing. Just tilt your head back. It's a very thick brush. Oh, yeah, see? I forgot all about thick brushes. I'm not used to using thin ones that are plastic. You get transference on the eyelid if you're not careful. So, I've got to be careful. I'm getting lovely fluffy lashes off it. So I don't feel like I've got as much control as I do with the other brushes. But it's good. It's good. It's a good mascara. I used to love these brushes years ago before the little thin plastic ones come out. I think now, because of the thin plastic ones, I feel like I've got more control when I put it on. But I should really use my lash curlers as well. Or when you use lash curlers, it gives your lashes like another dimension. It really is an amazing step. So if you've got them, use them. Mine, I haven't got them out now and it's too late. But it's not really lifting this side very well. Tip the head back. Tip it, angle it, push it up, whatever you need to do to get them lashes up. That's a bit better. You've got to be careful and all, because you can end up making your lashes look too skinny. I like them to look quite fluffy, like fluffed out. So the more you go over it, the more you separate them. It's different from each side. We'll see how I'm not massively a fan. Maybe I can fluff that back. It feels like it's in one place. It's not bad, but I think I prefer the different brushes. I think I've gone off this big brush now. But we'll see how long this lasts. I also want to see how easy it is to come off and all, because sometimes, you know, it may take your eyes off with them. Zoom you back out. We're going to go in now with the brows. Just only because I've probably put some foundation on mine and greyed a bit. So I'm just quickly using, again, Earthline by MAC, only because I'm not using my brushes. Don't have my brushes on the morning. Let's just darken them out. I'm lucky I've got quite thick eyebrows anyway, except they're a bit sparse on the edge. This one's the nice one. I love this brow. I don't have to do much with it at all. It's brilliant. It's just fine. It's this one that's the problem. So cheeky, something wrong with it. There we go. So the brow is done. Now for the cheeks, I'm not zoom too far. Get you back in a bit. You get dizzy, right? So we're going in with a bit of this. It's MAC Posy. It's a cheek blush cream. I love it. You don't need a lot though. And I'm just gently. I don't need a lot, specifically because I've got rosacea and I don't need blush at the minute. Right, seriously do not need blush because I just go red all of the time. But I've noticed a powdery makes me look older. But if I use cream products, it makes us look younger. So you get that dewy look, you know, like just like a nice fresh look. Because I don't like anything too heavy for a daytime looks. Then I'm just going to go in with this one, this Cristian Dior Pro Cheeks. Any highlighting product will work. I've had this for years. It's just gently on the cheekbone. Not like that. See, the product's quite old, so it's sticking together. I still get a bit of good out of it. Sometimes. Come on. Ooh. Get off. Made a mess of that. Right. Now, for the lips. Quite right. See what I've got in my bag of tricks. What I usually just use is, don't laugh, you're not supposed to, I'll have to show you. It's either this one here, which is too red for us today, I don't want to go red, but that stains your lips all day long. It's called Stay Put by 17. Make an entrance. Yes, stay put, and it really is. It just stays all day long. You can't get it off. So I do. It's for lips. It's not for it's not for lips, it's for cheeks. So I'm going to say to you, don't copy me in this instance. Find the same colour lip as you put on your cheek. I'm going to do this. Just gently pushing it in. I don't want a lot. I don't know how I've got it on my nail. And it does actually stay for quite a while. So it does for me. There we go. Now that is me done. I need to brush my hair because I haven't brushed my hair yet. I'm going to pop a little trampy. I've just got out of bed practically to do a video for you. So I need to brush my hair and then get my uniform on. My uniform top is actually the same colour as my jumper here. And then I've got to put my little name badge on so people know who I am when they're telling us on. No, I'm actually, I love the customers. And I love my job. I just absolutely love it. Just, I think you've got to, when you go somewhere, you've got to chuck yourself into it or not at all. And that's how I view it. Because if you don't, you'll crack up. Isn't that right? Anyway, I'm all done. Oh, yes. What have I missed? I've missed something. I feel like I'm not done. Right, okay, yeah. So, Patron, give us some ideas what you'd like to see on there, because I really need some help with that. I've got your mascara review that I promised I'd do. That's coming up next. I'm going to try this out for the rest of the day. I'm going to put a bit more on just to lift this one up. See how it goes, and then I've got that video ready to do, and I'm doing the unboxing one. And I don't know if I'll do that next, actually. I may do that next. We'll do it next. Yeah, sorry, we're going to do it in a minute, so I'm going to see if I've got some time and I'll do the unboxing, because I can't wait to have a look in there. Right, okay, I'll see you all in a bit. Zoom, zoom.